how to send WhatsApp broadcast messages. Now it is used to send bulk messages without creating any groups. Now what I mean by that is when you send a same text to multiple people, it creates a group in WhatsApp. Now to send same messages to multiple people without creating groups, you need to send broadcast messages. Now I'll show you how to do it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and then also check out more of our videos. Now let's start. Now here what you'll need to do is you'll need to click on the top right, and there you will see a new broadcast. Click on it. Now you need to select people that you want to send the broadcast messages to. Now I'll just select random people. Now I'll just select these two people. Now just create, and then I'll just send hi. Now to check if this message is gone or not, let me just open the one that I've sent. Here you can see, and the other one a bit below. Let me just search him. Now here you can see I've sent the text. Now there you can see even a small icon that shows that this message was sent via broadcast. Now thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Be sure to stay tuned to watch more of our videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.